Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the first video of 2019 and if you're new here then hi, welcome. Please do subscribe. So new year, new content. I did not want it to be repetitive with my content, so here is what I came up with. So these are the things that you guys are seeing on your screen right now. These are the things that I use the most as in skincare. I also wanted to show you guys what I use at night. This is the Innisfree Whitening Pore Sleeping Mask. I have been using this daily, and this is castor oil which I use on my eyebrows and my eyelashes. So I took this face wash. This is Himalaya Neem face wash. Just doing the simple thing. I'm just washing my face. It is really important to wash your face in the morning because anyway you haven't done it in 8 to 9 hours. Also here I have shown you guys how I humiliate myself on a day-to-day basis, so if you want to know that then please keep on watching. And this is the Neutrogena Water Hydro Gel. This is a beautiful product. You guys must try this. Now let's make the first drink of my morning, that is apple cider vinegar in hot water. So for that you need obviously apple cider vinegar. This is an empty bottle. I got a new one. I have been trying this product for some time now. So by the way, humiliation number 1. Always remember to shake the bottle before you pour it into any glass. This is very important, so I'm doing it right now as I remember it. So yeah, I'm just taking 2 tablespoons of ACV and then pouring some lukewarm water. Remember, it should be lukewarm, not hot boiling water. The next step is totally optional, that is honey. Humiliation number 2. I thought I should keep these clips because let's be real, I want to be real here and yeah, these are the struggles that we go through day to day. Maybe not you, but only me. It's okay. Not every day I mix honey into it, but you know, someday if I like I do and then I don't. So yeah, I'm just mixing it and then I'll drink this water. And today I had some time in the morning, so I was just watching Quantico. Moving on to the next drink, which is a part of my breakfast, that is a smoothie. So obviously you need a mixer, then 1 banana. I'm just saying this because I'm making this for only myself, so I'm taking 1 banana. So I'm just slightly chopping it and just putting it into the mixer. And then after that is done, I'll take some strawberries. So I have chopped the strawberries and kept them into the freezer because I heard that frozen strawberries taste better, which is true. And here's an explosion. So yeah, I'm just picking them up and putting them into the mixture. So now this is all you need to do. I think if you have like whole strawberries, you need to put 3 or 4 strawberries will be good. So the next ingredient is curd. I took 3 tablespoons of curd and 2 tablespoons of honey. Trust me guys, this is the best smoothie. It is so yummy and it's not even hard to make. So now I just quickly went and blended everything in and this is how it looks now. Okay, struggle again. I was being so careful while opening the lid because I thought this will also explode because of the history. So yeah, I just poured it in and it was looking so nice. Also, I'm going to show you guys how to decorate it. So now I just took a slice of kiwi. You can obviously add kiwi into your mixture, just khol ke pee jao kind of thing, but I wanted to be fancy today, so I just sliced one piece, like a circular piece of kiwi. I just chopped it off slight a bit and then you're gonna see what I did. Placed it on top of the smoothie, and this is a very thick smoothie, so it won't sink in. Then again I took 1 slice of strawberry and that was done. It was so good. You guys must try it, and if you do, please tag me on Instagram and click a picture and post it. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys liked it. I loved making a different thing, and thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. I love you all. Bye bye.